Dr. Hadley Thurmon. I'm the dentist and owner at Alpine Creek Dental. I love what I do. I feel really fortunate. I started out pre-med and decided dentistry was for me because I've had a lot of dental work myself. I went to the University of Michigan for undergrad and dental school, and then I continued on at the University of Colorado for a general practice residency, which was an additional year of training at a hospital, and really delve in depth with root canals, extractions, hospital dentistry, clearance for surgery, and just really, dentistry is not just isolated, it's our whole body, and so that's what I feel is really an asset that I can offer to my patients is, of course we go tooth by tooth and look at your gums and your teeth, but we also look at the masticatory system and your whole system, because I just had a patient the other day and his gums were getting worse and worse, and we were discussing how it's related to diabetes, and sure enough he went to his physician and he has diabetes, so they put him on some medication to treat that, and 2 months later we saw him again, reevaluated his gum tissue, and it's much improved. That's what I like about dentistry too, is it's much more preventive, and that's my goal with my patients is we have digital x-rays so we can really detect things early. We have a panoramic x-ray that'll show us visions of wisdom teeth if they're impacted or not. We have a cone beam scanner that can actually give us a 3D image of a tooth, so sometimes people have a toothache and they come in and we can't diagnose it, and might have it for a little while, a couple of years. Well, now this cone beam gives us one more tool to look and see, well, maybe there's a crack, maybe there's a problem in the sinus. So just as one more tool for us to help our patients. And like most things, early detection usually yields more conservative, more successful treatment. We also offer, I have a laser here, 2 different types of lasers, so a soft tissue laser and actually a hard tissue laser. And the hard tissue laser is awesome because it can do fillings without giving any injections or any shots, because the laser actually stuns the tooth. But it's also helping sterilize the tooth and give us a good bond with our filling material. So I've always envisioned having a great empowered team, and that is what we have at our office. Dr. Erin Best is an amazing dentist. She had excellent training at the University of Pittsburgh. Dr. Best is extremely meticulous, very kind and understanding, very good at explaining procedures or just sort of breaking down the overall situation for patients and giving them their options so they can make an informed decision. In addition, she also is able to provide Invisalign, which is sort of orthodontics, but without wearing actual metal brackets on your teeth. Frida is an amazing hygienist. She's extremely meticulous, attention to detail, the most caring person you'll ever meet. She's extremely gentle. Oh, my child was at another dentist, but they couldn't get x-rays, and somehow Frida treats patients, does above and beyond, and the patients leave happy. Everyone leaves smiling, and they're like, oh, that was the best cleaning I've had. And Hetty Cheney is greatest, most friendly person you'll meet. She is our receptionist, front administrator. She is one of the first people you contact if you call her office. She's very warm and friendly, very compassionate and understanding. We always do our best if someone calls with a dental emergency to get people in, if not the day of, within 24 to 48 hours, because we understand and can become serious very quickly. Denise Martrano is our office manager. She has done a great job at really organizing our office, setting up systems, and really helping us help our patients to understand an insurance. It's called an EOB, an estimate of benefits. Working to help people get the best coverage they can get. We work with someone called Care Credit that does patient financing, and just really she helps operate the day-to-day business aspects of the dental office. Denise has been tremendous. She really loves getting to know the patients, and she's enjoyed, now that she's been here for some time, really getting to know people, and that's what I think is most rewarding for all of us. And then Jenny Boonstra is a phenomenal dental assistant. She is extremely smart, extremely talented, very artistic. She's excellent and very gentle. Patients are always impressed when she makes their temporary. She's extremely efficient, but most of the patients come back to get their final crown and they'll say, you can just leave the temporary in, it feels great.
Coming to Alpine Creek, it's always, always a pleasure, as weird as that sounds about a dentist. From the moment you walk into the office, even going back and, seeing Dr. Thurmon or a hygienist, everybody is so warm and welcoming and friendly. It kind of feels like coming home, everyone's family here. You catch up on anything that's been going on and, they always remember you by name. Everyone's patient. I have a lot of anxiety when it comes to dentists in general, and everyone has been so gracious and work so well with me. They never make me feel like I'm being judged for avoiding the dentist for 18 years and all the issues I have, and they really take their time and make sure that I understand everything that's going on and all the treatments that I'm getting.
It's like coming and visiting with your family. The personnel are so great here, and while you're here, you get your teeth fixed by absolutely phenomenal dentists.
They're fun people, down to earth, no stuffiness, and it's
and they care what's going on with your teeth.
very much they
very
care.
much, and they give you a plan to work with. Like for me, I needed a lot of dental stuff from years ago, and they've given me a plan. They've been upfront, and there's nothing hidden, and they do it in steps whenever you're ready. That's why we come, so they don't fall out. What's the matter with you?
Hey, we're pretty old and we got our own teeth, so that's pretty good.
We'd love to meet you. I enjoy what I do. We usually offer people to stop in and kind of get a tour of our office and see if we're a good fit. But if you're looking for a dentist, we'd love to have you stop in and check out Alpine Creek Dental.